this point, I don't even think I have the right to call it the bird fun fact of the day, because I've had 3. But the bird fun fact of like the 7 hours, I am currently, by the way, on my other channel called Cyber101YT. I did a vlog. I haven't posted it yet, but I will post it. Depends when you're watching this. And I was in France, and yeah. So go subscribe to Cyber101YT. But anyways, we're off guard here. Bird fun fact of this somewhat like 6 hours and 10 hours. The Hyacinth Macaw is a macaw parrot species that is the world's largest macaw and has the smarts of a 6-year-old human. So here's some pictures.